I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play A Pirate Looks at 40 by Jimmy Buffett on the ukulele. Start off with the chords. First one's a G. First finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Try not to play them too hard. The C is simply the 3rd finger, ring finger, on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Now, C/B means C with a B in the bass, but we don't really have a bass note on this. They should be up here. But so just kind of ignore that. A minor 7 is going to be, I use my middle finger, you can use your middle finger or your 1st finger to play the 4th string, 2nd fret. B minor 7, going to put your 1st finger all the way across the 2nd fret, and your ring finger plays the 1st string on the 4th fret. Now C/G is C with a G in the bass. We can't really do that, but we can do a G sus, which sounds kind of similar. Play your G chord and put your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Take it back off. Put it back on. Take it back off. That's a real handy riff to learn for a lot of songs. The strumming for this is pretty much a steady beat, but unlike a lot of uke tunes, you're not going to do a shuffle. Do it straight. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Mother, Mother Ocean. Sounds too easy to be true? Well, that's the ukulele. Don't forget to check the links below for a chord chart, the play-along video, as well as other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box. If I'm wrong and it's not that simple, by all means, ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play A Pirate Looks at 40 on the Ukulele. Thank you for watching.